Improve heating, cooling efficiency. Car air filter is designed to filter your incoming air using state-of-the-art filtration technology, protecting your vehicle's occupants, interior, and HVAC system from impurities. Breathe clean air. Air cabin filter is electrostatically charged to help protect against most mold, mildew, fungi, spores, bacteria, germs, pollen and other allergens. Helps control odors. Dirty disposable cabin filters can cause a musty smell in your car's interior. K&N Cabin Air Filters are specially treated to help capture contaminants that cause odors. Save money. Washable and resuable in cabin air filter is engineered to last for the life of your vehicle. Easy to install. Pre-treated car cabin air filter is ready to drop into your factory airbox. Typically installs in less than 5 minutes with no tools required. Eco-friendly. Using a washable, reusable product reduces landfill waste from disposable filters. More than 100 million disposable air filters end up in landfills each year. No hassle warranty, 10-year, million-mile limited warranty. K&N's line of washable replacement cabin air filters are designed to filter your incoming air using state-of-the-art filtration technology, protecting your vehicle's occupants, interior, and HVAC system from pollutants and unpleasant odors. Engineered to be washable, reusable, and durable, this cabin filter is designed to last for the entire lifespan of your vehicle. Vehicle fitment. 2019 Dodge 1500 Classic, 2019 Ram 1500 Classic, 2016, 2018, Dodge, 1500, 2016, 2018, Dodge, 2500, 2016, 2018, Dodge, 3500, 2016, 2018, Dodge, 4500, 2016, 2018, Dodge, 5500, 2009 to 2018 Dodge Journey, 2016, 2018, Ram, 1500, 2016, 2018, Ram, 2500, 2016, 2018, Ram, 3500, 2016, 2018, Ram, 4500, 2016, 2018, Ram, 5500, 2007 to 2017 Jeep Compass, 2007 to 2017 Jeep Patriot, 2011 to 2014 Chrysler 200, 2008 to 2014 Dodge Avenger, 2007 to 2012 Dodge Caliber, 2008 to 2010 Chrysler Cirrus, 2007 to 2010 Chrysler Sebring, 2008-2009 Dodge Caliber SRT4. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. I usually have my mechanic install my stuff. But all I had to do was take the glove box out, press 2 clips, and once I got the angle it went right in. About a 5 minutes install if you know where everything is.